Welcome to Passive Voice Part 5, Questions. In this video, we will learn how to form passive questions. Let's look at these examples. Can you see the common thing they share? We form questions in the passive voice by changing the order of the subjects and the first auxiliary verb. We put the first auxiliary verb to the front, followed by the subject and the rest of the verbs. So, how can we form questions from a passive sentence? Let's start with the present tense. For example, the sentence is, the project is finished. Then we put the auxiliary verb to the front, so the question would be, is the project finished? Then the present continuous tense, the passive sentence is, the clothes are being washed now. Then we put the auxiliary verb to the front. The passive question would be, are the clothes being washed now? Then the present perfect tense, the passive sentence is, the thief has been caught. Then we put the auxiliary verb to the front. The passive question would be, has the thief been caught yet? We add yet for the question form of perfect tense. Simple past tense, the passive sentence is, the rubbish was collected last night. Then we put the auxiliary verb to the front. The passive question would be, was the rubbish collected last night? Then the past continuous tense. The passive sentence is, the suspect was being closely monitored at that time. Then we put the auxiliary verb to the front. The passive question would be, was the suspect being closely monitored at that time? Let's talk about past perfect tense. The passive sentence is, her work had been finished before she left. Then we put the auxiliary verb had to the front. The passive question would be, had her work been finished before she left? Here comes the future tense. The passive sentence is, the book will be published next month. Then we put the auxiliary verb to the front. The passive question would be, will the book be published next month? The last one, future perfect tense. The passive sentence is, the report will have been typed by noon. Then again, we put the auxiliary verb to the front. Then the passive question will be, will the report have been typed by noon? If we want to use modal verbs with passive question, the form is modal verb plus subjects plus be plus pp. Then the modal verbs are can, could, may, might, should, shall, will, would, must. For example, the passive sentence is, this problem should be addressed. Addressed here means handled. Then we put the modal verb to the front, and the passive question would be, should this problem be addressed? In this table, I've added more examples to show how to form passive questions, like the present perfect, has the homework been done? The future form, going to, is the homework going to be done? And conditionals, would the homework be done? And would the homework have been done? We could also use question words to ask passive questions like what, when, why, where, how, and the list goes on. In the next video, we will talk about verbs with two objects in passive voice. Stay tuned!